All right, today we're going to be talking about classifying animals. So take a look at these animals here and think of how you might group them. So if I were to group these animals, I could do it in a lot of different ways. I could do animals that could be pets and animals that shouldn't be pets. Maybe animals I've seen before and animals I haven't seen before. Maybe animals that are fluffy and animals that aren't. Maybe I could do by color or by size. Scientists do all kinds of things to make groups. That's how they understand things, is by putting them into groups. So a way that they do classify animals are vertebrates and invertebrates. So vertebrates have a backbone and invertebrates don't. If you think about that prefix in, it means not. So invertebrate won't have a backbone. Can you feel your backbone? Yes, and that's because we are vertebrates as humans. So exploring that further, we can see that vertebrates and invertebrates have a lot of even smaller groups. Can you, looking at all these groups, tell me which group do humans belong into? So there are ways to classify animals. So you could have a mammal, which, yes, I hope that's what you just said. We are mammals. A bird, a fish, reptile, and amphibians. So thinking about fish, the qualities of fish. They're the largest group of vertebrates. They come in many sizes and shapes. Many fish are covered with scales that protect them. They have fins that help them steer and balance in the water. Their body temperatures vary in the water. Breathe through gills. So those are all those different things about fish. We're looking at amphibians. Their body temperature varies with their surroundings. Amphibians hatch from eggs and they live on land as an adult. Young amphibians breathe through gills like fish. Adult amphibians breathe air from lungs, so they develop. Some have smooth, moist skin. Not all, though. And reptiles, a lot of people will mix up reptiles and amphibians, and they are different. Here are some reptile characteristics. They can move at various speeds. They lay their eggs on land. They have dry, scaly skin. So remember, amphibians they can have more smooth skin. They can include animals as large as a crocodile. Their body temperature varies with their environment. They live in hot, dry deserts and in warm, wet tropical rainforests. So when we think about birds, birds lay hard-shelled eggs that hatch in their nest. There are about 9,000 types of birds. Have you ever heard of bird watching, where people go out and they have a bird watching book and they can identify different types of birds? It's a pretty interesting thing to do. Birds are vertebrates that have wings and they are covered with feathers. No other animal has this feature. The bird's skeleton is very light in weight. This helps them to fly. And birds range in size from as small as your finger or as large as a human. Mammals, this is what we fall under. Include a wide range of animals: apes, lions, kangaroos, bats, humans. Their young grows inside the mother. Humans are mammals, but they have more hair than we do. The hair keeps the animals warm. They feed milk to their young. Okay, this is if we were taking notes, but we don't have that because we don't have the packets. Mollusks. These, okay. I don't know why it's not letting me click. Okay, a mollusk has a hard shell, a rough tongue, and a muscular foot. A snail is a mollusk with a single hard shell. Clam has two shells joined together by a hinge. Squids and octopuses are also mollusks. Their hard shells are small, but they are inside their bodies. So, we're going to play a game of classify that animal. What is a dog? Awesome. How about a lizard? How about a frog? A frog is a vertebrate and an amphibian. How about a penguin? A penguin is a vertebrate and a bird. Starfish, invertebrate and a fish. Crocodile, vertebrate, reptile. Gorilla. A gorilla is a vertebrate and a mammal. A salamander. A salamander is a vertebrate and an amphibian. Goose. A goose is a vertebrate and a bird. Snail. Snail is an invertebrate and a mollusk. Clownfish. Oh, there's Nemo. Nemo the clownfish is a vertebrate and a fish. A panda. Panda is a vertebrate and a mammal. A snake. A snake is a vertebrate and a reptile. An ostrich. An ostrich is a vertebrate and a bird. Octopus. Invertebrate and a mollusk. And we're going to pause there.